Today's topic is all about WhatsApp integrations with Zoho One. So, let me start today's session with a quick story that shows why integrating WhatsApp with Zoho One can be a complete game changer for businesses like yours. From inbox to instant, let's start this from a story of John who runs a growing cloud storage software platform. His customers trust his brand for its fair pricing and strong data security. While many rely on traditional channels like phone and email, more and more customers prefer WhatsApp. When John managed everything from his phone, it feels faster, more personal. At first, John was excited. The orders came through mobile WhatsApp, customers asked for product details, and some even sent payment confirmations there. But soon, problems began. John was handling all WhatsApp chats manually. Customers kept asking, "Is my order shipped? Can I get an invoice? Do you have this in stock?" He tried to follow up individually, but with 100 plus chats a day, he missed messages. Some leads slipped away because he forgot to reply. John quickly realized the power of WhatsApp, but managing everything from a single mobile phone became a challenge as his business grew. That is when he discovered the game changing integration of WhatsApp with Zoho One. Once John implemented Zoho One with WhatsApp, everything changed. When customers could start a chat directly on WhatsApp, a bot or a live agent responded instantly with the right answers. Product brochures and booking links were shared automatically, all through Sales IQ integration with WhatsApp. And when the customer filled out the shared booking form to set up a meeting with the product experts about the inquired product, they were immediately redirected to Zoho Forms. And once they filled out the form, they received a confirmation on WhatsApp, all through Zoho Forms integration with WhatsApp. Using the default integration with Zoho CRM and Zoho Forms, all the data is synced. Every WhatsApp chat also synced with Zoho CRM. Leads were created and updated automatically. The sales team could even chat with lead or customers directly from the Zoho CRM. Now the customer has given the booking time and the meeting is scheduled. Follow-ups has reminders and the offers were all sent on WhatsApp and the meeting is being done. Lead agrees to purchase the software that they have inquired about. Once the deal was closed, the lead was converted into a contact. From there, the contact was synced into Zoho Books using the integration of Zoho CRM and Zoho Books. Quotes and invoices were sent by email and WhatsApp. Customers could pay instantly using the links in the chat, and automated payment reminders improved collections without extra effort. After the purchase was made, After the purchase was made and a lead was converted into a contact, using the CRM sync with marketing automation kept the customers engaged. All the contacts were synced into marketing automation, and after that, personalized WhatsApp campaigns were promoted with new arrivals of the products and the seasonal offers. Customers got friendly messages like, "Hey Paul, there's a new offer on your plan." And finally, support was seamless with Zoho Desk. Customer queries on WhatsApp turned into support tickets inside Zoho Desk. Agent replied from Zoho Desk while customers continued the conversation on WhatsApp without any disruption. What has changed here? The instant responses that the customer received, the seamless CRM sync between the Zoho's ecosystem, and strong customer retention and adapt to the modernity. In short, John's entire customer journey from first website visit to support was powered by one WhatsApp number across all the apps. Now, before we talk about using WhatsApp with Zoho, Let's quickly understand what is required to create a WhatsApp business account. Think of Meta as a gatekeeper. Before your business can officially start talking to customers on WhatsApp, Meta needs to verify who you are. So, step one is that you will need to create a Facebook page linked to your Meta business account. So, in this video, you will be able to see how you can create a page from your Facebook account itself if you don't have one. You'll give your page name, that is your brand name, and the category of your business which it belongs. And after that, you can click on create page, and it might take some time for the page to be created as well. And from there, you can create a business portfolio. So this business portfolio is like your official ID card. You'll provide your business display name and your website URL here. The business email address is required for the verification purposes. So you can enter your business email address, which has a domain, and you can mention your website URL as well. And if you don't have one, you can check that box and an additional verification will be done from Zoho's end. And choose the country and click on next. And you can create your own WhatsApp business account. If you want to create one, you can choose these options and click on next. The business account name is for your internal reference. And down to that, you have the display name. The display name is something that will be shown to your customers. So when you initiate a chat, the same name which you give under the display name will be shown to your customers as well. So by doing so, and after this step, Meta will give you two options. Either Meta will give you a free number, but until your verification is done, it's like having a phone that cannot make calls. Your templates will be rejected until you're verified. Or if you have your own phone number, once it's verified, that number is logged only for WhatsApp business use. And you can click on finish. So basically, the Meta will provide you with a business number if you don't have one, or if you have a number already, you can utilize that and integrate it with your Zoho applications. And once Meta is satisfied or with all these verifications, the gatekeeper lets you in and your account is fully verified. At that point, you can integrate with the Zoho apps of your choice. So in short, Meta checks your ID first, approves your number by doing the verification, and then your WhatsApp business account is ready to supercharge your Zoho apps. Now that we have seen how to create a business portfolio and integrate it with Zoho's ecosystem, what makes it even better? One number, unified business. Let's take it from one of the most favorite comic shows, the Power Rangers. Just like a ranger combines their Zord into one unstoppable Megazord, Zoho lets you use one WhatsApp number across all the apps such as CRM, Desk, Sales IQ, and Marketing Automation. Instead of managing multiple numbers with your Zoho apps, your single WhatsApp number can unite everything, giving your business one powerful identity. As a result, John no longer was worried about the missed WhatsApp messages, and his business now had unified communication where you can use a single WhatsApp number across all these Zoho apps. And the faster engagement, instantly he was able to connect with his leads and his customers on the preferred channel. And the automation and the workflows, we will be able to trigger messages, reminders, and updates automatically from the Zoho's apps. Now that we have seen John's story and how he has transformed his business using WhatsApp, let's take a closer look at how WhatsApp integration works with each application in Zoho One. But before diving into each app, there are few key points that apply across WhatsApp integrations. And it's important we understand them first. So the key points before you're using WhatsApp integration with Zoho's ecosystem is the first one is the phone number format. The recipient number or the customer number to whom you're about to send a message should always include the country code. Here we have the valid formats that can be used for the recipient's end is that +91 for the India, +1 for the United States, and plus 271 for the Middle East. And Australian regions, you have plus 61. And for the United Kingdom, UK regions, you have the plus 44. So make sure that you add your country code of the respective customer before you add it into your Zoho CRM or any Zoho applications. And there must be no spacing between the phone numbers. The second point is all about the customer service window. A conversation is defined as like a 24-hour period of messaging window between a business, that is you, and a customer. The window starts when a business responds to a user-initiated conversation. So for 24 hours is equal to one conversation. Messages sent between your business and your customer within 24-hour period are linked to a single conversation. So when a customer sends you a WhatsApp message, a 24-hour service window will start. Inside that open window, you can send any type of messages like text, media, documents, PDFs, etc. But once that 24-hour window is completed, outside the window, you can send only pre-approved template messages until the customer replies again. You can send only those meta-approved messages, and the templates that you're creating depends upon the content and the language that you have used for creating the templates. The template cannot be edited while it is in review status and once it's approved. Now let's begin with Zoho CRM integration with WhatsApp. In this video, we will be able to see how we can integrate WhatsApp with Zoho CRM. So click on the setup in the left bottom corner, and under the channels, you'll have business messaging. You can click on integrate, and you will be navigated to the Facebook login page. You can click on get started, and you can choose your business portfolio. And if you don't have one, you can create a new one, entering your business name. And then you will need to enter the business email address for the verification purpose. After that, you have an option to enter the business website or the profile page. If you don't have one, you may just let it go, and an additional verification will be done from Zoho's end. After that, you can choose your country accordingly and click on next. So you can associate a channel. If you don't have one, you can create a WhatsApp business and click on next. You can enter the account name of your business, and it's for the internal purpose. And down below it is the display name, which will be shown to your customers. So make sure that you enter the right display name. And you select the category of your business here as well. And after you click next, automatically the verification will be done, and you will be provided with two options. Either you can use a free number that's been provided by Meta. If not, you can use a number which you have already. By using a virtual number, which means you will be able to use this number only with WhatsApp and no calls can be made using this free number, and click on next and finish. And automatically you will be navigated to Zoho CRM window, and the status bar will show the time taken for the completion. And after this is done, automatically your CRM will be connected with your WhatsApp account. And after that, you will have the options to enter the business profile nickname. You can provide it, and it's for the internal purpose only. You can select the number that you want to associate, and you can mention if a customer initiates a chat, you want to add them as a lead or a contact, and to whom this should be routed. You can mention the same and save the settings. We'll be able to edit this anytime, and you may purchase the credits as well. So now let's check the benefits of using Zoho CRM WhatsApp. The template messaging. You will be able to initiate a template-based messaging to your customers, and you will be able to associate those templates or messages or a notification with automations. And you will be able to respond with 24 hours window, and you will be able to share file as well. Let's see how we can implement it in Zoho CRM. So this is my Zoho CRM account, and let's go to the settings in the left bottom corner. And under the channels, we will have the business messaging. As we have seen already, once it's integrated, we'll be able to again change the settings as per our convenience at any time. So when we do this integration, automatically we'll have a module enabled that is known as messages module, which is specifically used for managing all the WhatsApp conversations. So here in Zoho CRM, we can create templates under the automations, under the actions, WhatsApp notifications, and you'll have notifications and WhatsApp templates. So first we'll need to create a WhatsApp template, and then we can associate with notifications. Let's try to create a new template from here. You can mention the title, and this is for the internal purpose again. You can mention for which module you want to create the template for, and then you can select the language. You can mention the category, whether it's utility or marketing. So when you want to send transactional emails like, hey there, please pay your reminder, you can use utility. And when you want to do a brand awareness or some kind of newsletters or promote something of your brand, you can use marketing. So you can mention the message and you will be able to personalize the message using the merge tags functionality inside Zoho CRM. So this looks more convenient and personalized, and it'll be very specific to the customer while you send one. And you can click on save. So automatically the template that you have created will be sent to Meta for the approval. So you can navigate to business.facebook.com, and you will be able to see the manage templates, the templates which you have submitted for the review. And if it is not meeting the Meta's policies, it will be rejected as well. So this is completely controlled by Meta. The templates that you create inside Zoho is completely is being controlled by Meta N. And once the templates are being approved, you can navigate to the notifications, create a new WhatsApp notification. And this name is also for the internal purpose. Mention to whom you're going to send this message for and click on save. So the templates that you have created specifically for the respective module will show up here, and you can associate them with this WhatsApp notification. So now you have created a WhatsApp notification as well as a WhatsApp template. So how do you use that? So there are 4 ways that you'll be able to use a WhatsApp template or a notification and manage them. So the first way is that we can get into a record, a lead record, which has a number, and you have an option in the button. You can hover to it and you will have the options to send them. So it takes the phone field as well as the mobile field, and it meets the format. When you click on one, you'll be able to see the WhatsApp templates you have got for leads module, and can click on send. Now to view the conversation, you can click on view conversation, or you have the related list, messages related list. You can navigate there and click on that, and automatically you'll be navigated to the messages module. From here, you will be able to send out messages to your customer. And from here, you will be able to upload a file from your local drive, as well as fetch all the files which you have in the cloud storage, such as like Google, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Box Drive. From within the messages module as well, you will be able to use the templated messages by navigating to the top right corner, and you can hover the mouse again and click on this specific template that you require to send and click on send. Now this templated message also will be sent. So this is one option that you'll be able to use the templated messages. The other options are associating the templates with automations. Go to the settings, you have the automations. Under that, you have workflow rules. So we have a workflow rule already. Let me show you and how we can associate that respective template there. So when we need to send a WhatsApp message immediately when a lead is created inside your Zoho CRM, you can mention the trigger as when execute the workflow based on create action. And you can mention if there is any criteria. If not, you can mention it as all leads. And under the actions, you will have notify and WhatsApp notification. And you can associate the created WhatsApp notification here. So whenever a lead is created inside your Zoho CRM, automatically the WhatsApp message will be sent. So this is through workflows. And the other option is using blueprints. So you can get into a blueprint and you have a state gather details from none to not contacted. You have a transition which is known as gather details. So when a sales representative or a user or someone who just clicks on this button gather details, you will be in the after portion, you will be able to associate the WhatsApp notifications that you have created. So for example, now if I get into a record and click on gather details, in the after action, we'll be able to send a WhatsApp notification to the customer. And this is one part where you'll be able to associate. The other one is using Command Center. Under the Experience Center, you will have Command Center. You can navigate to the Journey Builder and you can navigate to your Command Center, that Journey Builder that you have created. And you can click on the transition or the stage. Under the actions, you will have new action group. You can mention for which module you're creating this. Under the instant action, you will have the option to add WhatsApp notification, and you will need to create one from here. You can select the recipients, mobile, and phone field, and click on Save. The templates that you have created will show up here, and click on Save and Associate. So this is how you will be able to manage your templates of Zoho CRM with WhatsApp. So let's get with Zoho Sales IQ integration with WhatsApp here. So in this video, we'll be seeing how you can integrate your Sales IQ account with your WhatsApp. So you can navigate to the settings. Under the channels, you will have the options to connect your own number. And you can add the credits if you want. If not, you can just leave it aside and mention to which department you need to associate this WhatsApp account. By doing this, the WhatsApp number will be linked to your Sales IQ. So the features that we get with integrating Zoho Sales IQ with WhatsApp is all about broadcast messaging and chatbots and multi-account brand support, which refers to if you have multiple brands, you will have the option to associate different numbers with each brand. Let's see how we can do this using Zoho Sales IQ's features. So in this video, we'll be able to navigate and we can see how you can create a template inside your Zoho Sales IQ. Under the channels, you'll have WhatsApp and mention which WhatsApp account you're going to create the video for. And it's the same process like how you have created a template in CRM. You can mention the header, but the difference is you will get a preview, like how your template will be when it is being sent to a customer, and you can click on create. And automatically that template will be sent to the Meta for the approval process. After we create, we need to use the templates. To use it, we have two different places. One is a broadcast. So you can navigate to the broadcast and create a broadcast of your own. So this broadcast feature is all about sending bulk WhatsApp messages to your users directly from Sales IQ. You can create your broadcast here and mention the rules to whom this should be sent. And you may select the period, how much days it should work and when it should end. And you can associate the template as well from here and click on Save. By doing this, the broadcast feature will be enabled and you will be able to see to how much of them this has been sent and how much of them it's been delivered. And the status will be complete, will be shown here itself. So the other options of using a template is you can go to a closed WhatsApp chat. So when this specific chat is closed, you can reopen using templates as well, or you can use a text message to reopen a chat here. By doing this, you will be able to send a templated message that either you can use the templates that you have created inside your Sales IQ to initiate the conversation of a closed chat. After the templates and the broadcast, there is a new next big feature we can explore in WhatsApp integration is deploying a bot to handle conversations automatically when customers reach out. And this option allows you to create a Zoho bot based on your requirements. The bot can be deployed on WhatsApp and automatically handle your customer's request. And let's see how we can do that. So we can navigate This is my account. We'll navigate to Zoho Sales IQ. We can go to the settings. We have the Zobot enabled, and you can see there is a WhatsApp account that has been integrated with my Zoho Sales IQ right now, and you'll be able to see it's right now associated with one respective brand. And if you want to add multiple numbers, you may add it from here. So when a customer sends a message to my WhatsApp connected number, automatically we'll be able to configure a bot to automate all the responses. So let's see how we can do that using Zobot. So under the bot, you will have Zobot. I've already created one. Let's try to create a new one. So you'll mention the bot name here and you can click on next. You'll mention the bot profile. This is for the internal purpose. Choose the brand and you have the main option. So right now, every options will be enabled. So right now we are just deploying the bot only to WhatsApp channel. So we can unselect every other channels so that this bot will work only with WhatsApp channel. You can select this supported languages and configure the rest. You will have the options to use predefined bot templates. If not, you can create it from the scratch. So you can click on add new and you can choose the fields that you want to add here. You can choose drag and drop it. And from here, you will have the option to know whether the card that you're using to create the bot is compatible with WhatsApp. So here, this green tick icon mentions that email field is right now compatible with WhatsApp bot. And after you do that, you can publish your bot. So right now, let's check how we have created a bot right now, and we'll just show it in a real time here. So here, when there is a start, where welcome message is sent, and yeah, an email address is collected from the customer, and the brochure is being shared, and we have splitted ways into two. And the visitor, we are giving a pick list option to choose the plan according to John's story, and we are just routing the criteria based on the plans they have taken, and we are pushing the data to Zoho CRM. And let's see how this will work on a real time here. So this is the bar. This is my custom. This is how a customer's interface will look like. In the left side, you have the customer's account. So this is the customer's WhatsApp account, and the right one is the sales IQ. Let's see how it will work when a customer initiates a chat. So I'm initiating a chat right now from the customer's end. Right after that, we'll be able to see a chat is being reopened here inside the Zoho Sales IQ in the right side. So immediately the Zobot configuration, welcome to Zilka Cloud. How can I help you today? What's your email? And right after we enter the details, we can see the bot flow will work accordingly. And you will be shared with responses like how you have created one. Right now we have Hi Prashant, explore Zilka Cloud Sync plans. And if we just give a yes, and we can see instantly all the responses also will be shown inside your Sales IQ account. So based on the bot flow that we have kept as well will be shown in the customer's end. So for now, I've just given starter 999 plan and per month, and we can see a predefined and personalized messages like my name, the monthly subscription, which I have mentioned here, and the starter plan, which I've mentioned here, is already personalized and it's been given. And a form link is also given to the customer to fill for the booking time and date. And automatically the bot is done. So in the left and the right panel as well, you'll be able to see the bot has been completed and we can end the chat. Or if you want to reopen the chat as well, you have the options to use templates and text messages. So this is how we'll be able to deploy your Zobot into WhatsApp channel and handle your customers' questions or requests automatically. Now let's see how Zoho forms integration with WhatsApp. In this video, we'll be seeing how we can integrate WhatsApp with Zoho Forms. Navigate to the control panel under notification settings. You will have WhatsApp configuration. Click on plus new channel and you can mention the channel name, and this is for the internal purpose. And you can choose the business account. Since I have two business account right now, it's showing up there. Mention the account number as well. You can create a new template as well from here. So let's get into the account and see how we can do this. So using the Zoho Forms integration with WhatsApp, you will have the option to create multiple channels, personalized messages, pre-submission triggers, which means when a form is filled, automatically a WhatsApp message can be triggered, and form level control. So you'll be able to associate each notification with specifically to a form, and status tracking, which refers to if there is a notification message sent, you'll be able to review the status of the respective message sent as well. Let's see how we can perform this using Zoho Forms. So this is my account and this is Zoho Forms, forms.zoho.com. You can navigate to the control panel. Under the notification settings, you have WhatsApp configuration. And from here, you'll be able to manage all your WhatsApp configurations, such as like creating a channel using or creating a template as well. So all the templates which you have submitted across all the Zoho apps will be listed here as well. And we can create a new template for Zoho Forms. You can mention the template name, and it's the same process that we have followed in Sales IQ as well as in Zoho CRM. You can mention whether it's marketing or utility. Well, it's header. If you want to add an image as well, you will be able to add and upload an image. Or if you want to fetch a image from your form as well, you may add an image field and fetch it automatically. So from here, you can create a personalized messages, and the personalized merge tag should be added specifically from a forms interface. You can mention the footer as well, and you can see a preview showing in the will be shown in the right side of that one. And if you want to add a call button as well, you will be able to add it here. Call now, and you can paste the URL as well. So when a customer clicks on this button, automatically either a call can be initiated or you can navigate or redirect them to a new website as well. So this is how you can create a template, and it will be sent to an approval to Meta's end. And after it's been approved, you will have an option and you will be able to see the status has been approved. Now let's try and associate this created template with a form. So here we have a form. And when you want to associate a template, navigate to the respective form, click on settings. You'll be navigated to the settings of the respective form. Under emails and notification, you have WhatsApp. And from here, you will be able to manage those to who can be considered as a recipient. You can either you can add the phone number field that you have inside your Zoho form, and you can mention from which channel it should be sent. And the template also can be mentioned here. The templates that you have created can be associated, and click on save. Now let's try to access the form and fill out it. Let's give it as PR and PR. Let me give my number here. And after we submit, we'll be able to track the status of this entry by clicking on all entries. And we can see the record has been right now submitted, but the message is not yet sent. So it might take a while. After that, immediately the WhatsApp message will be sent to the respective recipient. And here we can see that already we have a submission through which the template was triggered and the status is success. The recipient number is also being noted here. So it is important that you enter the country code before the number that you have, and automatically the WhatsApp notification will be sent. And right now, for the form that we have submitted as well, the status is success. So let's see how it's been received here. So here you can see that a message is being now initiated, and it's been done from Zoho Forms integration with WhatsApp. Now let's see the integration between Zoho Books with WhatsApp integration. So here in this video, you can go to the settings. Under the marketplace, you have WhatsApp. You can click on connect and give the agree connect WhatsApp. You'll be navigated to the Facebook Meta end. If you have logged in, you can continue and get started. Mention the business portfolio and click on next. You can select which business portfolio you want to associate, and you can go on and click on continue. So here is a small change that we have already integrated with multiple apps. We are able to do it so. And once this integration and the configuration is being done, WhatsApp will give an approval and you will be able to integrate your WhatsApp with Zoho Books. And let's see what are the perks that we get when we use Zoho Books integration with WhatsApp. So instant customer communication, such as like you can send invoices, quotations, reminders using Zoho WhatsApp, using the WhatsApp integration with Zoho Books. Personalized messages, such as like you can share your complete invoice as a PDF to your customer and automate reminders and payment alerts using this integration of WhatsApp with Zoho Books. And let's see how we can do that. So this is my Zoho Books account, books.zoho.com, and you can go to the settings in the top right corner. Under the marketplace, you have the WhatsApp showing up here. And we'll have the ability to manage all your WhatsApp related settings within this UI. And when you want to configure a message template inside WhatsApp for Zoho Books, you'll need to enable this one, and automatically you will have the interface to create a WhatsApp template for this respective module. And this is also for the internal purpose. You can mention it's for utility or not. Since it's only showing utility, it's because the message that it contains is all about transactions. So basically, transactional messages can be selected only with category as utility here. You can mention whether an attachment that is a PDF should also be sent or not. And the message content will be given by Zoho by default, and every placeholders will be added as well. So if you want to add a button as well, you can add it here, and you will be able to see that button. You can either use it for URL or give a phone number field. So when they click on this button, automatically they'll be navigated. And after that, you save this template. And by default, this template that you have created will be sent to Meta for the approval process. And right now we have this templates approved for invoices and quotes. So we can see a template that we have already created for quotes is being approved, and we will be able to associate this template with multiple features inside Zoho Books. So first, let's associate this template that we have created for a quote under the workflow actions. You can navigate to automation, workflow actions, WhatsApp alert. You can create a WhatsApp alert, and then this is for the internal purpose again. You can mention for which module you're going to create this WhatsApp alert for. You can mention the recipients, whether it's primary contact person's mobile number or all contact persons or transaction associated contact persons. So it's always good to go with all contact persons, and you can mention the template that you need to associate. It's the same like how we have seen in Zoho CRM of creating a WhatsApp notification. So click on save, and the WhatsApp alert is created. Now to use this alert and the template that we have created, we have multiple places inside Zoho Books. Let me show you one by one. And close the settings. We can navigate to the sales and quotes module. So when we create a quote, when we want to send an automated quote via message through WhatsApp, we'll be able to do so. And when you want to send it specifically to a quote, you can navigate and click on that respective quote, and you will have the option WhatsApp message, and you can send this. Or if you want to initiate a WhatsApp message immediately after the quote creation using automation, yes, you can do that as well. Navigate to the settings under the workflow rules, create a new workflow rule, mention it, mention the module for which you want to associate this automation, click on next. And event based on create, you can mention the same. And if you have a criteria, you may have one. If not, you can go with no and click on done. You have immediate action, time-based actions. If you want to immediately send it, you will have the option to click on immediate, and you can mention the type of alert actions that you need to perform. WhatsApp alert, and the alert that you have created will show up here. By doing this, whenever a quote is created, automatically the customer will receive this WhatsApp message on their end. And we have created one already, and I'll show you how this will be while we create one quote here. Let's create the customer. We have the customer Prashant, and let me create and I'll add a line item, and I'll click on save and send. We have the other option as well. So without automations, you have by default, you will be provided with an option to send an estimate, but we are not going to use this right now. But we would have received a WhatsApp message right now that a code has been created, and this is how a created code will be there, and you will be able to see a preview as well of the line and of the invoice or the quotation. So this is how the automation works. Or if you want to send it manually as well, you have the option to send this. So you have the option to bulk send WhatsApp messages as well. That is, you can click on this, select all, bulk update, or you have this option WhatsApp messages. You can mention to whom it should be sent and which template should be used. And you can click on send. So by doing this, for all the quotations, the respective customers will receive the quotation through WhatsApp integrations. And before we do that, when we want to make sure that the customer is eligible for WhatsApp channel, we need to get to the respective customers record, edit them, and communication channels is important. So when you want to send a customer WhatsApp messages, you need to make sure this WhatsApp is being checked and the right format is being followed, +91, and then continues your number. And this applies for all the modules, that is under the sales modules and as well as under the purchases modules. So automatic reminders. So when you want to send automated reminders, you have the option to configure it here. You will have a new tab, which is known as WhatsApp, and you will be able to configure it only after you enable the integration of reminders inside your WhatsApp configurations page. So you can go to the WhatsApp configuration page, and under that you have payment reminders. Right now it's been approved, yes. And after that, you will be able to create your own WhatsApp reminders and automate them. And if you want to have a detailed reports of your WhatsApp messaging as well, you have the default reports inside Zoho Books. And under the automation, you'll have the WhatsApp credit reports, WhatsApp notification reports as well showing up here. You can see the date it was triggered, to whom it was triggered, the mobile number, the notification type, and whether the status is delivered or read also can be tracked here. So this is the capabilities and of WhatsApp with Zoho Books. And then you can navigate to the customers as well. And you have the option to see the previous messages that you had with this respective customer. So within the Zoho Books UI, you will have the options to see the previous messages, but you will not be able to send a message from Zoho Books end. So this is the integrations and the benefits that you get when you use Zoho Books integration with WhatsApp. Now let's see how we can use Zoho Desk integration with WhatsApp. And in this video, you will be able to see how you can integrate a WhatsApp account with Zoho Desk. You can click on the settings in instant messaging, WhatsApp, click on add number, and immediately you'll be navigated to the SSO login of Facebook, and you can continue. Here we have multiple business portfolios. You can select one. A business portfolio can have multiple numbers as well. We have 2 numbers right now, and we can click on next. For the support purposes, always there is a different number that you will use. For sales process, there is a different number. For the support purpose, you have a different number. So that here we are going to use a different number. And after the connection is being done, your Zoho Desk will be connected with WhatsApp account. And let's see how this can be done in our end as well. So the features that you get while integrating WhatsApp with Zoho Desk is that you will have additional channels. Apart from handling emails and calls, you have the option to have a support based on WhatsApp as well. And all the WhatsApp conversation will be converted as a ticket. And you will be able to share your WhatsApp chat with us, chat option using embeds and the URLs as well. And in the sandbox option, using the sandbox option, you will be able to test your WhatsApp and everything. And you will be able to create multiple WhatsApp channels, which is an exclusive feature that we provide in Zoho Desk. With a department, you will be able to associate multiple numbers. And let's see how we can do that in our end. So this is my Zoho Desk account. and you can navigate to the settings. Right now, we have two departments, Zoho CRM and Zoho Test Account. And you can see all the tickets have been created as a, all the WhatsApp chats has been created as a ticket here. And you can go to the instant messaging. You can click on configure for WhatsApp, and you will have the page to manage. So this is a department, and Zoho CRM is a different department. With Zoho Test, we don't have any channels right now, but with Zoho CRM department, we have multiple channels. The exclusive feature that I've told about, you will be able to add multiple numbers within a department and enable them at a time. And to create a template, you can navigate to the templates here, and you can create a new template, and it is the same process. And you can mention for which WhatsApp account that you're creating this one, and mention the template name. And this is for the internal purpose again. You can mention the category, utility or marketing, and choose the language, and you will have the option to have the header, and you will, the body also will be mentioned here, and a small preview will be given in the left and the right side for you. If you want to have the placeholders as well, you have the option to insert it, and the footer options. And if you want to have any buttons, you can add it. So these are all some additional options that you have in Zoho Desk templates. And after you create one, you can save this, and it will be sent to Meta for the approval process. And here we have already created a template, and it's been approved by Meta. So let's see how we can use this WhatsApp integration with Zoho Desk. So when you complete a Zoho Desk integration with WhatsApp, a channel, a new module will be created that refers to instant messaging module will be shown up here. And then you will be able to manage all your conversation of your account here as well from all channels. Yes. And this is how you can manage your WhatsApp with Zoho Desk. And if you want to associate a workflow, or if you want to just associate the template that you have created, you may create your own workflow rules as well by clicking on create rule, mention the name, and then click on next. You can choose on which trigger you want to execute this one. We can click on create and mention if you have a criteria, and click on next. In the all actions, we have this in reply via instant messaging. And from here, you'll be able to choose which account you want to do it. And it's WhatsApp account. And the templates will be shown up here, the ones that you created, and the name as well can be given, and click on save. By doing this, whenever a new ticket is created, automatically a WhatsApp notification will be responded to it. So there are a lot more features that we can use using this WhatsApp integration with Zoho Desk, such as like in Sales IQ, we had a Zobot for the sales process and for the lead generation process. For the support process, as I told, you have the options to integrate or deploy a answer bot or a guided conversation that you have created inside your Zoho Desk, and you can deploy that answer bot into the bot that inside your WhatsApp channel. So here in the preferences, we can mention which department we are going to use and the agents that are associated here. And we'll be able to see a bot that's been associated with this respective account right now. So you'll be able to associate a guided conversation with your WhatsApp number as well. And you can choose if you want specifically to registered visitors, you'll be able to do it. And all visitors also, you can configure your business has as well. So basically, whenever a customer initiates a chat to this respective number, automatically the guided conversation that you have created will answer to your customer's questions. And this is the guided conversation that I have created. So basically, a welcome message will be sent, and automatically a name will be requested, and we can mention the ticket number. So you can create your bot as per your convenience, and then you will be able to associate that respective guided conversation with your Zoho Desk bot. Let's see how you can use the Zoho marketing automation with WhatsApp. In this video, you'll be able to see how you can integrate your WhatsApp account with Zoho marketing automation. And you can click on this consent and click on continue. And automatically you'll be navigated to SSO login and click on get started. You can mention the business portfolio. And if you want to create a new one, or you can associate portfolio that you have already, you can click associate that as well. And the integration will be done while you click on finish. So let's see how we can utilize this WhatsApp integration with Zoho marketing automation. So this is my marketing automation here. You can navigate to the settings. Under the marketing channels, you have WhatsApp enabled. And from here, you will be able to manage your phone numbers as well. You can see the credit details, the business ID right now it's integrated with, and the phone number and labels. So here inside Zoho Marketing Automation, we provide you the options to use multiple numbers as a sender's number as well. So you can add a new number and use it accordingly. Right now, we have used a different number and we can see the messaging limits is 250 customers for 24 hours. And let's see how you can create a WhatsApp marketing campaign. Go navigate to the marketing campaigns under WhatsApp. You can create a new WhatsApp campaign as well from here. Create campaign. You can mention the campaign name and then save and proceed. So the WhatsApp campaign is now created and you can configure to whom you're going to send. It's the normal process that you use to send a normal marketing campaign, email campaigns. You can select the list or a segment. You can select which list you want to send the marketing WhatsApp messages and click on save. And from address also can be configured. As I told you, you'll have the ability to add multiple numbers as a sender's number as well here. You can associate and click on save. And from here, you will be able to create your own template or associate a created template here itself. We have already created a template here, or if you want to create one as well, you can click on this create new, mention the template name, the language, and where it should be stored, and you will be able to create your own WhatsApp template here. And I have already sent one WhatsApp campaign, and let me show that how it looks from our end inside the marketing automation. So we can see Zilka new launch. There's a campaign that's been sent, and you can see the stats, how this exactly, to how much of them it's been sent, and the delivery date, and the read and clicked, and the failed and the unsubscribed ones also will be shown, and the contacts will also be shown here. And we can see what kind of message is being delivered on their end, and how the message will be on their end. The customer's end also will be shown up here. From here, you'll be able to see the total number of recipients. So basically inside Zoho Marketing Automation, you will be able to send out WhatsApp-based campaigns. You have the option to use multiple numbers to send out WhatsApp campaigns to your customers. So let's see the integration with Zoho Sign with WhatsApp. So here in this video, you can navigate to the settings. Under in the general, you have the integrations part and click on others. You can configure your WhatsApp business account, enable this, and you'll have a pop-up showing up to do the meta verification. You can select the WhatsApp business account that you have, and then you will be able to associate that with your Zoho sign. You can mention the channel name, which is for the internal purpose again, and the WhatsApp business account that you need to associate, and click on save. By doing this, automatically the WhatsApp integration is done. To create templates and to make sure that to create a WhatsApp template, we ourselves will send right after you integrate your WhatsApp account, we'll send the templates to Meta for the approval process. And once this approval of WhatsApp template has been done, you will be able to use this to send out Zoho sign based WhatsApp for signature collection. So in this video, we'll be able to see, and we'll need to make sure that by default, this email plus SMS will be enabled. So when you want to have a delivery mode through WhatsApp, you'll need to enable this as well under the account settings, and you will have the option of sending options, email plus WhatsApp, and click on save. To send out signatures, you can associate the document, and then you can mention the email address and needs to sign. In the delivery method, choose email plus WhatsApp and kindly give your number there and click on continue. So here you can add the signature fields, the full name and the signature and the fields that you require, and click on send. And just confirm this one. and automatically the signed document will be sent. And now let's check how this will be received inside WhatsApp. So inside WhatsApp, this is how it will be received, and you can navigate. It'll take you to the Zoho Sign application, and you will be able to proceed with the signing process. So basically, you will be able to send a sign notification reminder using Zoho Sign integration with WhatsApp. And yes, so here, let's see few restrictions. I mean, how you can manage your Meta business here. So you need to type business.facebook.com and you'll be navigated to your Meta business suite. So we have multiple portfolios right now, and these are all the integrations with WhatsApp and Zoho. And here you have the all tools. You have the WhatsApp manager. From this page, you will be taken to your WhatsApp number that you have currently connected, and you'll have an overview of number of message deliveries and the number that you have integrated right now, and free customer service deliveries, and the templates that you have created as well will show up here. All the templates will be shown up here, and we can see the template, everything is being approved right now. And Meta has its own policies while you create a template, and which is not controlled by Zoho. So whichever template you're creating on any Zoho application, and if it is approved or rejected, everything is controlled by Meta end, and we submit it for the approval to Meta end here. So from here, you will be able to manage the templates and as well as your account here as well. The phone numbers, you'll be able to see which phone number is connected right now. Or if you want to add a new phone number as well, you will be able to add it from here, or you can add it from the SSO login while you're doing from Zoho's end itself. So it's up to your choice. And from here, we will have the insight of number of messages delivered, free messages delivered, and every of the options will be shown up here as well. So this is how you will be able to manage your Meta business suite with Zoho. And yes, thank you.